Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today we're going to be setting up SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. So let's get right into it. You're going to need admin access to wherever your domains are parked. Mine are in Hostinger. Second, you're going to need admin access to either Microsoft or Google, which one we're using. Today we're using Microsoft. Scroll down to Settings, go into Domains. And we're going to add my domain for the first time. Let's type it in here. Add to use this domain. Then you have three options. You want the first one. But first, let's go into MX Toolbox. We can check our settings. You can tell there's no SPF record, no DMARC, no DKIM. So let's go back to Microsoft. We'll select the first option, continue, and then it'll give you these records. You just have to copy and paste into your domain. So we'll just copy that, go back, TXT record, nothing there, paste this one. This is value is 1 hour. Just copy it. Add record. Oh shoot, I hit refresh. Let me just add it again. I'm not sure if the value's changed. We'll just go through the same steps. Use domain, the same one. TXT value. Let me double check the values. Scroll down, find the value. Looks like it's the same. So let's try it. We can try and verify it. Okay, so sometimes it takes a little bit for it to update. So let me try to refresh it. I'll try to force it to update. You can go down to the record, edit, update. Let's try one more time. One more time. Maybe the number changed. We'll edit it really quick. Okay, update it. Try again. Sweet, it worked. So now we're going to connect it. Continue. And now to give you some more DNS records. This is the MX. This is CNAME. And this is TXT. So even though it says expected, you'll still want to use the MX, CNAME, or TXT. So you just copy and paste. So we'll do the first one, MX, copy, paste. 1 hour, the same value. Change the priority. Add record. Okay, that one's done. Add the CNAME now. Copy this one. CNAME. Paste it. And just change the value for the time to live. 1 hour. Add that one. And finally, the TXT record. Same thing. TXT. This was nothing. So we'll paste the value. And again, 1 hour for the TTL. Add record. And if you're doing this for the first time, you can't add the DKIM here. If you go under advanced options, you can set it up initially. We won't do it because I'll show you how to do it if you haven't done it before. If you already have your domain. So we'll do that here in a second. We'll come back to that. So click continue. And this may take it a minute or two for update. Okay, so the setup is complete. So now you can go back to done. Well, let's go back in. I'll show you how to check it up. Let's go to the MX Toolbox, and it'll show you that our SPF record is updated and showing correctly. We'll go back to Microsoft. Let's go back to Edit. Manage the DNS. So it's the same, exact same windows as before. We'll come down to Advanced Options. This is the DKIM. So these are CNAME records. So you come back, just add it back into your domain. So CNAME, paste this, get the value, paste it here, and 1 hour. We'll just do the 1 hour. Add the first record. And we have the second one. So same as before, CNAME. Copy the value. And 1 hour. Add record. As before, these may take a few minutes to update, but we'll give it a try here. So go to continue. Check one more time. Sweet. Okay, domain is set up completely. We can click done. So now we have the SPF and DKIM. There's one spot that you will have to double check. If you come down to security, this is also Microsoft Defender. So you're going to come here to email and collaboration, policies and rules. Go to threat policies, down to email authentication settings. You can see ARC and DKIM at the top, the 2 tabs. Click DKIM. And this is already enabled, but sometimes it will not be. But you just want to double check this toggle. You can click it. Ours is enabled. And then eventually sometimes you'll want to rotate the keys. Okay, so now we're going to be setting up DMARC. So we'll go back into Microsoft. And I set up a mailbox to send our DMARC reports. A lot of people will do this. You may want to do this. So I just called it DMARC reports. And we're going to use this email to build our DMARC report. So we're going to come here to MX Toolbox DMARC record generator. It helps us create the format for our DMARC record. There are 3 things that you want to know about: none, quarantine, and reject. You initially want to start out with none, especially if you have a domain that's already been in use. Test it for a week or 2, make sure there are no issues, come back, go to quarantine, same thing, a week or 2, and then come back and do reject is the ultimate setting that you want to have. There are 2 emails. These are if you have a paid version of MX Toolbox. We don't, so we're just going to do our own email. Put our email on both of these. So then it formats automatically for us. So we can come here and it's going to be a TXT record. So we'll come back to our domain, do a TXT record. Just copy the first part, paste it into the name and the value. The value, we'll do 1 hour. Okay, so you can see the update now. We have our DMARC record. So let's double check. Let's see what it says. Okay, awesome. Sometimes it takes a little bit for it to update, but it is showing that our DMARC is published. And we do have the warning. It even says here that quarantine and reject is the recommended to be enabled, but we have none. And so let's actually go back. We'll go back to our tool here and we'll click reject. And this is the setting that I want. So we're going to click 100%. So 100% of all the emails that don't match our settings are going to be rejected. So we just copy this part, the value changed, come back, we're going to edit it, select all, paste, and save it, update it. So now we can see that it's been 100% and we have reject. Let's see if it updated this fast. So we'll go to DMARC. One more time. Let's check this one. Okay, sweet. So this one updated it. So now there are no warnings. We can see that it is rejected and also that we have 100%. So this is the last setting that you want. This is the preferred setting, and that's how you set up DMARC, DKIM, and SPF.